Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Onsitego off-campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is for software developer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC, it is 9 lakhs per annum, and the job or the work location is Bangalore. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for B or BTech graduates, and the branch eligible is either computer science or information technology, and the batch eligible is for 2023, and you need to have good PH score as well as good academic records to apply for this particular job role. So the next thing is the compensation details. So initially you will be hired as an intern. So the duration of the internship and the stipend, so duration it will be for 6 months, and the stipend it will be rupees 29,000 per month. So post completion of internship, your salary or the CTC, it is 9 lakhs per annum. So the service agreement, so there will be an agreement for 18 months in which there will be 6 months internship including internship, and post completion of that your salary or the CTC, it will be revised to 9 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the skills that are needed for this particular job role. So need to be proficient in problem solving and good knowledge of data structures and algorithms, and also you should you need to design, develop and test the code, and also if you have prior experience with the tech stack mentioned, so like HTML5, CSS and JavaScript, and also frameworks like React.js, Redux, Webpack or Material UI. So these are the skills that are needed for this particular job role. So they are basically hiring for the front-end developer, in which you need to have knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript and any of the framework like React. It's an added advantage for this particular job role. So then coming to the application link, it is through eLitmus. So just log in with your account and just update the resume and submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe the channel for more updates.